This feature of the month will cover the creation and assembly of kits. To create a kit, you have to pick an item that you want to represent the kit and change the item type to kit. First, go into Store Operations, Merchandise, Inventory, and then search for the item that you want to make a kit or create it. In this case, I've created some items for the purposes of this demonstration. Please note that the kit item, the item that is going to represent the collection of items, needs to have a quantity of 0. Select your item, click Edit, change inventory type to kit item, and then click Save. Now, to define the components for the kit, you'll click on Kit Members, and to look up the items that you want to add as components to the kit, you can do a search and then double click on the item that you want to add to the kit, or you can enter kit components by entering an item lookup such as UPC or ALU. Oops, I already added that one. There we go. So now I've added 3 components to the kit. You can also change the quantity of each component. In this case, I'm just going to leave them set to 1. Once you've defined the components for a kit, you can assemble the kits. When you want to assemble a kit, click Assemble Kit, and it's going to tell you how many kits you can assemble. This is based on the overall quantity of each of the components. You can assemble as many components as the item with the least on hand available. So in this case, I'm going to tell it that I want to create 9 of those kits. I'm going to select Kit Assembly for my adjustment reason. You can add comments here if you'd like, and then when you click on Assemble Kits, the kits are assembled. Now, to sell a kit item, obviously start a new receipt, enter in the UPC or the ALU, the lookup for the item that you defined as a kit type, and you'll see here it tells you that this item is a kit. Enter the transaction normally. Go back and look at the quantity for those items. Set that to contains. Now if you scroll over here, you can see that the 3 items that we added as components all have a quantity of 0, and that is because we assembled 9 kits. There were 9 of each of these items. So before we made our sale, the kit item itself had a quantity of 9, and now that we've sold that, there's a quantity of 8. Now, the last thing I want to cover is breaking a kit. If you need to essentially disassemble a kit, select the kit item, go to Item Details, and click on Kit Members. Then click Break Kit, and then the system will tell you how many kits you have assembled. Enter the number of kits that you want to break. In this case, I'm going to put a 2, and then select an adjustment reason. In this case, I'll select Kit Break, and then click Break Kits. Once that is finished, we can go back to Item Lookup, and we can see now that we only have 6 kits because we broke 2 of them, and then the components now each have a quantity of 2.